Now it's time to talk about NC netcat utility, how to capture password. Now netcat is a plain text way to see things. So if I type nc-l for listening -p 9999, so right now I'm listening on the port 80, sorry, on the port 9999. Now open Wireshark here, and from here let's choose any, like that. So let's put it like that. So from here, actually I start capturing. I want to connect to our machine, so I will put the IP address, my network interface IP address, so which is this one. So unsee this IP with this port. Okay, so you can see that, yeah, it start capturing. As you can see here, it is the packets. Now if I type hi, this is my password 1 2 3 4 5 6, for example. Okay, so we receive it here. Now if I click here actually, and if I right click follow TCP stream, you will find out we can find the text as plain. As you can see, hi, this is my password, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So using NC for communication is a bad way. Okay, now NC, of course, we use it just as a client to connect to endpoints or check the connectivity, you know, like the Swiss knife, as they called it, Swiss army knife for networking. Okay, so but don't use